I'll be very quick while my Mac is updating. I'll be speaking to all Filipinos, sa mga tao nagtatrabaho abroad, OFW. Are you working for, let's say, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? And you're thinking about, I wanted to resign, but I don't have much capital and I wanted to start a business. Well, take advantage of what we so-called pag-ibig. Ito yung pag-ibig na hindi ka heartbreak, but tutulungan ka para makapag-loan. And what's good about it, those loans that you can get can produce an actual line of income for you. If you're good on thinking about ideas and meron ka nang naiisip na gawin, then do that. You can head to their office, find the process. They'll give you some sort of form, then requirements, certificate of employment, payslip, and they can give you an actual loan that you'll be asking, as long you say, let's say 32, or you still have the capacity. Good luck!